I'll be covering the properties of bleach. Bleach, also known as sodium hypochlorite, consists of sodium, oxygen, and chlorine, with a positively charged sodium and a negatively charged chloride. For the physical properties of bleach, it exists as an aqueous green or yellow solution, though its natural state is an unstable green solid. Bleach has a density of 1.11 grams per milliliter and a melting point of 18 degrees Celsius. As for chemical properties, bleach is soluble in water, which dissolves to create hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite ions, both of which oxidize to create the bleach used in cleaning products. When bleach is heated to 35 degrees or mixed with an acid, it can produce chlorine gas. Bleach is produced with chlorine, sodium hydroxide, and water. 50% sodium hydroxide is mixed with water to produce 25% sodium hydroxide, which makes caustic soda. Caustic soda is then mixed with liquid or gas chlorine to make sodium hypochlorite, which is mixed with water to make hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite ions, which oxidize to give bleach its disinfectant properties. Commercial bleach is typically $1.70 per kilogram, and 10,918,000 metric tons of chlorine for bleach was produced in 2019. Bleach comes from these places, although materials come from elsewhere. For safety while using bleach, use in a well-ventilated area with rubber gloves and never mix with any products, especially those that contain ammonia, metals, and acids. Bleach is also corrosive, so drinking and exposure to skin is a health hazard. As for storage, bleach is recommended to be stored in a cool, dry place and disposed at a hazardous waste department with the label still on. Bleach, among other cleaning products, are a high-value item as of 2020 due to the pandemic. It's used to disinfect surfaces and remove stains where households and businesses alike use the product to ensure safety. Companies like Clorox have been having a 40% increase in production and shares up 21% as of last year. Bleach is commonly used in the healthcare industry, although it's being used more across all industries for COVID protection. Clorox and Lysol are their two biggest brands of bleach being sold in those industries, each in the top Fortune 500. Although there are no statistics for money generated per year, Clorox, the leading brand, made $6.7 billion in sales as of 2020. The environmental impacts of the chlorine in bleach is most harmful to the environment on an industrial level, because when chlorine is disposed of at manufacturing plants, it gets released into the water and mixed with other toxins to create dioxins, a persistent organic pollutant that stays in water for years before breaking down. Dioxins are known to accumulate in the bodies of animals where it binds to the AHR protein, which can alter genes and cause cancer by disrupting cell function. Although a little amount of chlorine is released over time, it adds up to where a study done by West Virginia University found cancerous cells in wildlife populations that had been previously exposed to bleach. And bald eagles almost went extinct in 1970 due to dioxins. When bleach is used, it causes minor health issues such as irritated eyes. When ingested, the sodium hypochlorite in bleach causes burns to different parts of the digestive tract within hours, as well as toxic shock. Some cons to using bleach are the issues related to the environment where chemicals can kill organisms, like fish, by the chemicals reacting with the water to turn H2O into Cl molecules, and being dangerous when mixed with other cleaning products. Some pros are the bleach being able to disinfect all germs quickly at a low cost, and the ability to clean and remove mold. Bleach is also used to improve health by preventing disease when used right, but when used irresponsibly, it can create more of a hazard. As of 2020, bleach is a more high-value item because of the pandemic, where bleach was sold out across stores, and sales of disinfectants jumped 343%. Organizations like the World Health Organization and governments have been recommending disinfectants. Bleach also impacted society in a controversial way when Donald Trump suggested injecting bleach to stop COVID. Society does not depend on bleach for functioning, but it helps with maintaining health and cleaning at a low price. Bleach also impacts lifestyle by being able to easily and quickly kill germs and disinfecting surfaces in schools, homes, and stores.